Hi, guys, and welcome back to Coupon with the Lady. It is once again time to go over to CVS Pharmacy to see what our deals for next week hold in store for us. Now, this will be the sale starting April the 15th, tax day, and it will go through the 21st. It promises to be a great week. Hang around, though, to the end of the video. I have somebody very special I want to introduce you to. So our first deal for this sale is the spend $30 and get a $10 cash card deal. The one that stands out to me is on the razors. If you picked up one of the individual razors, two of the disposable razors, and one of the shave gels, it would bring your total to just over $30. Now there's coupons to match up with these in the 4-1 P&G. You would pay $20.36 and get back $10. That makes it $2.59 a piece, but it could be even better with a red boxer % off coupon. The next deal is going to be on the Colgate Max Total or 2-in-1. We're supposed to be getting a $2 off instant red box coupon. You can pair that up with the 50-cent off one Colgate toothpaste coupon in the 4-8 Smart Source, making those only 99 cents. The Gain detergent is $4.94, and when you spend $20, you'll get back 5 ECBs. Now, depending on the coupon, you may have to split this up into different transactions, but if you'll pick up 4 of the Gain at $4.94, you could use 4 of the $2 off one coupons from the 4.15 Red Plum. Some of you may have been lucky enough to get the $3 off one coupons from the P&G from April, or some of you may even have printed off some of those coupons from P&G every day, or had at least one from your send card on CVS.com. That'll bring it down even further, but as it stands, you would pay $11.76 and get back 5 ECBs, making those $1.69 each. Now, if that 1976 makes you just a little bit nervous because it's too low from the 20, you could always add in either one of the Puffs or one of the Dawn. They're both on sale for 99 cents, and there is coupons available for both of them. The Puffs is from the 4-1 P&G, and the Dawn is a send a card coupon. Next up is the Colgate mouthwash. They are on sale for $3.99. When you buy one, you'll get back $1.50 in ECBs. Pick up 2 of them. Use 2 of the 75-cent off one printable coupons from coupons.com, or if you don't have those coupons, you can use the 50-cent off one coupons that's coming out in this weekend's inserts. You'll pay $6.48 and get back 3 ECBs if you have the 75-cent off one coupons. That makes those about $1.74 each. Next up is the L'Oreal Elvive. They are 2 for $8. When you spend $15, you'll get back 5 ECBs. So pick up 4 of them. Use 2 of the $4 off 2 coupons from the 4-8 Red Plum. You'll pay $8 and get back 5 ECBs, making those only 75 cents each. Now, I have had times when those L'Oreal coupons beeped. Let me know below if you have problems with those L'Oreal coupons. The next deal is on the L'Oreal Preference or Excellence hair color. They are on sale 2 for $17. When you spend $15, you'll get back 5 ECBs. So if you picked up 2 of them, you could use the $6 off 2 coupon. That's in the Retail Me Not, which used to be the Red Plum, from 4-8. You'll pay $11 and get back 5 ECBs, making those only $3 a piece. That would be a really good deal, especially if you had a red box coupon and it applies to the free hair color program. So another hair color sale is on the Clairol Natural Instincts Nice and Easy or Root Touch-Up. They are 2 for $14. If you bought one of the temporary and one of the permanent Root Touch-Ups at $7 a piece, you could use that buy one get one free coupon that's been printable at coupons.com, and you would pay only $7 for both boxes if it takes the full $7 off. Then go over and look at Ibotta for rebates. This is a deal that would also not only apply to beauty, but to the free hair color program. Remember, we only have to buy 7 hair colors, and then we'll get the 8th one for free. That's a really good deal. The next thing is the Soft Soap Liquid Hand Soap. They are on sale 2 for $5. When you buy 2, you'll get back 3 ECBs. So pick up 2 of them. Use 2 of the 50-cent off 1 printable coupons from softsoap.com. You'll pay $4 and get back 3 ECBs, making those only 50 cents each. The St. Ives Body Wash is on sale. When you spend $15, you'll get back 10 ECBs. Now, if you pick up 3 of those at $5.19 each, that'll put you over your $15. There are no coupons unless you find a printable floating out there, or you have a red box coupon like that 2 off of 6 or 3 off of 10. The way it is now without any coupons, it would be $5.57 or $1.86 each. The Crest mouthwash is the next deal. They are on sale for $3.99. If you picked up 2 of those, there are no coupons, but you would get back 5 ECBs, making those only $1.49 each. The Physicians Formula is on sale. Spend $10 and get back 7 ECBs. There are no coupons available for this deal unless you've got an RBC, but it's still a good deal and applies to beauty. Another deal is on the Palmolive. They are on sale. Buy one, get one half off, and when you buy 2, you'll get back 2 ECBs. So if you pick up 2 of the Palmolive, you could use 2 of those 50-cent off 1 coupons from the 4/8 Smart Source. You would pay $3.18 and get back 2 ECBs, making those only 59 cents each. Now, just as an honorable mention, the Gold Emblem products have a sale going for buy one, get one half off. And some of them are just on sale price-wise. So look at the different deals to see what's on sale and pair those up with those printable coupons that we've been holding on to forever. You can make some really good deals. So, of course, these are not all the deals that are available at CVS, but these are some of the ones that I felt like were good deals for this week. So I certainly hope you can make a wonderful haul with some of these ideas. If you have any other great ideas that you stumble across, feel free to drop them below in the comments and let everybody know about them. And then, in the meantime, if y'all will hold on just one little minute, I want to introduce you to somebody. I don't share a lot about my personal life, but I am divorced, and this is my beautiful stepdaughter, Ariel, and her husband, Joe. Now, Ariel and Joe have 2 fabulous daughters. Their names are Piper and Brooke, and these 2 girls bring such a light to my life. And now Ariel has had a 3rd daughter. Her name is Jessie, and she is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Unfortunately, Jessie was born with a congenital kidney disease and has had to live the last 6 weeks in her hospital room. And Ariel has had to stop working and spend her time with Jessie in the hospital. And you can imagine going from a 2-income family to a 1-income family, how very difficult this has been. Joe has had to play Mr. Mom, and Ariel has had to divide her time between the hospital and her 2 other little girls. I'm so very proud of them for accomplishing what they have. Jessie is immune suppressed, and I haven't even been able to meet her yet, but I can't wait for the day that I do. She's such a beautiful child, and her mama and daddy have been kind enough to share her journey with their family through Facebook posts, and they've been calling it Jessies Journey. And Jessie is looking at having one of her kidneys removed in the next week or 2, and possibly the other one. We are praying that it's just going to take the one to stabilize her until she's old enough to have a kidney transplant. Anyway, you can imagine all this has taken quite the toll, and one of their friends has set up a GoFundMe page for our little Jessie, and it's called Jessie's Journey. And I know there's a lot of us out there that can't even afford to give $5 to help this little family out, but I would hope that maybe you could afford to share Jessie's Journey with others that could help her out. And I would hope that even if you can't share it, perhaps you could whisper a prayer for her into the air. I truly do believe in the power of positive thinking and the power of prayer. And if we can flood that little girl with positive thoughts and prayers, I know that it would help. And I would be so grateful to each and every one of you. So I will leave you there, and I will leave a link below in the description box, both to Jessie's Journey's GoFundMe page, and a link, as always, to my website so that you can copy and paste the deals onto a document to print them out, or just jot them down or take a screenshot with your phone to go to CVS with. I hope the video has been helpful, and I want to thank you again. You touch my heart so much, just knowing that you share in my journey. I hope that you would be willing to share in Jessie's too. Thanks, guys. Have a great and wonderful week. Bye, guys.